Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! Welcome to another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, if you would like to finally face those pains or the issues that you have stopping you from living your life the way you want, how about we see if we can work together to help unlock the next big thing in your life. You can book your free call at ldlcall.com, find the slot on the calendar perfect for you, and let's talk. But first, here is your quote for today. If you believe in yourself, anything is possible. There is a belief that a lot of people think the only way to make a success for yourself is to have the talent, but a lot of the time it actually is more than about your own belief in your own ambition and your ability. If you have the hunger and desire to want to push yourself forward, you have that 100% chance to do just that. Put your head down, focus, and work